Hello and welcome to CSONS at Home. First course this week is a bit of a homage to the old beetroot. So we've got some roast beetroot, some pickled beetroot, like a sort of beetroot puree, some crispy kale, like an orange and paprika-y kind of sauce there, and some spicy nuts. So first things first, our oven's on at about 200. What we're going to do is we're going to pop our beetroot in. We're going to get our beetroot puree. We're just going to put that on nice and low just to warm her up. A little bit easier. So they're probably going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to pop these kale in just to warm it up. Our sauce is ready. We're not looking for it to be too hot. You will get more sauce than this when you get it, but this was just a puree. Okay, so then, get our beets. Just pop them, alternate the colours. Probably get a bit more than we have done here. Actually, definitely will, because I think that we're only going to have enough kale for the one here, Ruben. I think that I didn't plan that quite right, but I think that's okay. And then we're going to take our different coloured candied beetroots and just dot them around like so. Very bright dish for this time of year, but I think that's quite nice, isn't it? Pretty dig. So then we're going to go on with the nuts. Yeah, I felt like it was a bit small when we packaged it, so double up everything. Double up everything, Ruben.